हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू योर ओन यूट्यूब चैनल योर ओन पाठशाला ज्योतिशाला। तो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी? आशा करती हूँ आप सभी अच्छे ही होंगे। और हियर आई एम एट ब्लॉसम कैंपस एंड दिस इज़ द स्टोरी टाइम. लेट्स प्रोसीड विद द महाभारत स्टोरी. And yes, those who are new to my channel, please like and share with your friends. And if you've not subscribed to my channel up till now, then do subscribe to my channel and do let me know in the comment section as to what kind of videos you would like me to upload it for you. Let's proceed with the Mahabharata story, and today is the 10th episode. So why do people sin? Then Arjuna asked Krishna, why do people sin against the will as if driven by an inner force? Krishna replied, the root of all sins are desire, anger and passion. They confuse the mind and make the wise unwise. Conquer desire, then you will be able to control your senses. The mind is greater than the senses, and the intellect is even greater than the mind. But the greatest of all is self-control. Once you have that, you can be in charge of all your desires. This is what is why do people sin? Krishna replied, Arjuna, the way of knowledge. Krishna is eternal. Krishna told Arjuna, I imparted this karma yoga first of all, to the sun god. That was a long time ago. The sun god taught it to Manu, who handed it down to the people over the ages. With the passage of time, this ancient wisdom was forgotten. I now reveal it to you because I love you and consider you a dear friend. Amazed, Arjuna said to Krishna, how is this possible? I was born very recently, but the sun was there since the beginning of creation. Your question is reasonable, replied Krishna, because you do not know that both you and I have been born again and again. But the difference is that I know about my earlier births, but you do not, he explained. You should know that I can take birth whenever I like. I come into the world whenever there is decline of dharma, that is truth. It is my duty to save dharma, and I take birth for this great purpose. Those who know this truth are not reborn, but come to me. And as for people who take refuge in me in whichever way possible, I reward them. Yet I am not bound and limited by action, even though I created everything. You might ask, what is action and what is inaction? The person who has given up attachment to action and its fruit, like me, is always content. This is because that person can act and be at rest at the same time. So, no matter what that person does and whatever happens to him, he can always be calm. His heart will be in a state of inaction. Sacrifice is also an action, said Krishna. One should be very careful while performing sacrificial rites. They are offered in many ways. Some offer it to please the gods and goddesses. Some others offer it to be able to understand and control themselves. There are also those who offer it in the name of dharma, and yet others who practice it to control their life and breath. Whatever the form of sacrifice, there is joy in it, and all who perform it are worthy of praise. Selfless action, however, is higher than all forms of sacrifice, explained Krishna. Knowledge can only be gained if the Guru is respected. Only the wise can teach the knowledge needed to understand the mysteries of God and self-discipline. Only through knowledge can one understand the Atma and obtain peace of mind. The ignorant, having no faith, will not find happiness in this world or the next. Saying this, Krishna urged to resolve all his doubts, knowledge, and get ready to fight. Thank you friends. See you soon in the next video. Till then, क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. Bye bye.